Good morning, it's VJ from Canada. And one thing I just love about the internet, it's always a good source of inspiration. And some days when I have no idea what I'm going to shoot or talk about, something will come to me through the internet, and I've got something to talk about. Anyways, I got an email from, it was King of the Bingo game, and he was talking about BitChute. Now, BitChute is an alternative video platform, and for myself, I've been on it a couple of years, but I've really grown bored with it. But that's besides the point. They're doing some good stuff because they're an alternative video platform. So I'm not going to knock BitChute. But anyways, the problem with BitChute, it's dominated by political commentary. And I just want to make a disclaimer that this is not a political video at all. I just want to say that there's too much emphasis given to these politicians. Now, in the States, you guys have got Trump, and I've got mixed feelings about Trump. One thing I'll say about him, he's a good advocate for the USA, and I know he's got his issues, but I personally didn't mind the Celebrity Apprentice. And in Canada, we got Trudeau, but I don't know if he'll be around much longer. And with all this political content and protests that happen around the world, it just seems to be a cause for violence, and people beating each other over the head with bats. There's a great quote from Lenny Kravitz. I'm not going to quote it verbatim, but he basically says it's a lot easier to be for something than against something. So enough of this of being against others, and let's all spread a little bit of love in this world, because there's not enough of it. Now, one of the greatest examples of talking heads with political content is CNN. I used to love CNN. I used to be able to watch the miners being pulled out of the Chile mine, or just all these human interest stories. And but now it's just a bunch of talking heads, and it's a bore. So again, this is not a political video. This is a anti-political video. Peace out.